Hi, today in front of me VIVO Y33s, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and scroll down to the security section. Now just go a little bit down and here you'll see the SIM card lock. Now just here tap once on the switcher near the lock SIM card just to remove the SIM pin. And now just type your current pin, in my case that's from 1 to 4, and now just OK. And here you'll see that we just removed our SIM pin from the SIM card. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.